Hi friends, this is Agnilo Rajesh from St. Angelo's Professional Education, and again we are doing an inspiring conversation on goal setting in business. A wise man will make more opportunities than he finds. If you don't know where you are going, you are likely to wind up somewhere else. No matter how fast you travel, the wrong direction will surely reach you nowhere. It matters a good deal which way one walks when there is a goal up ahead to act as a beacon. Goals are the fuel in the furnace of achievement. Friends, goals give an organization a sense of direction and a method for planning, and it also measures progress. It displays a common agenda for all in the team, and people focus better for collective achievement. All this at no cost to the organization. In the absence of clearly defined goals, we become strangely loyal to performing daily acts of very little importance. Friends, whatever you can do or dream you can, begin it. Boldness has genius magic and power in it. Goal setting is the process of deciding what you want to accomplish, and it is also about devising a plan to achieve the result you desire. Goals without action plans are just words with no actions. Friends, let's discuss some points for goal setting. Every goal has to be very specific in nature. A goal can't be vague because it will confuse all. For example, the goal of a manufacturing unit could be reducing wastage by 20%. This is a clear goal understood by the entire team of the organization. We need to understand that no goal can be good enough if it cannot be measurable. An organization which says it wants to achieve growth every year will never grow unless it is quantified in numbers. For example, achieving a growth of 40% year on year. Whatever the goal set, it should be achievable. Otherwise, all in the organization will get demotivated. Friends, we should remember, unreasonable goals will lead to unrest and dissatisfaction. It will hamper the functioning of the organization, and employees will completely get demotivated. All the goals set need to have relevance to the organization and the line of business. If you want to be happy, set a goal that commands your thoughts, liberates your energy, and inspires your hopes. It doesn't matter where are you coming from. All that matters is where you are going. Friends, goals are dreams with deadlines. Every goal needs to be time-based. You cannot have a goal with no timeline. Every expense has a timeline. Similarly, every goal, which is mostly connected to revenue and growth, also needs to have a timeline. Let's give an example. Growth is measured on yearly basis. A project of filmmaking has a goal to finish in 10 months. All work to make it happen. The team comes together and they work to make it happen. And if it doesn't, then lots of things go haywire and you end up piling up a lot of losses. So that's again an example where timing of the goal is very, very important.
Are there any good tips to consider when setting up goals?
Goal plus action leads to success. To be successful, you need to make things happen and not just let things happen. If you are bored with life, you don't get up every day in the morning with a burning desire to do things, that's because you don't have enough goals. Goal setting should have the involvement and commitment of the entire team of an organization. And once set, it should percolate to all in the organization. Everybody should relate to the goal and should have a sense of belongingness to achieve the goal. We need to remember that we need to use simple language so that everybody in the team understands it to the T. Each one in the organization and outside need to understand the goal very well. I'm sure this clarity will help. All good performance starts with clear goals. Please keep that in mind. One should have long-term goals and short-term goals. Both need to be interconnected. Look to the future because that's where you will spend the rest of your life. And that's the reason a goal is very important. The goal should be exciting and rewarding. Exciting to get involved and rewarding to keep the involvement going. Goals are not only absolutely necessary to motivate us, but they are also essential to really keep us alive. Friends, validate the goals from external resources too, so that you can be sure of being on the right route. A goal properly set is almost half reached. We should also make an action plan. No idea is good enough if it can't be implemented. Please make sure you write down your goals and then make an action plan. The entrepreneur is essentially a visualizer and an actualizer. He can visualize something, and when he visualizes it, he exactly knows how to make it happen. Persistence leads to victory. Never give up. Many a times you are just one step away from victory. You need to have faith in your goal. You need to have deep faith in achieving the goal. The faith makes you reach your goal and builds the confidence of your team to have the same faith. Friends, the faith comes from knowledge and application of that knowledge coupled with experience and past victories related to similar goals. This also builds your confidence.
Can every goal be achieved?
Most of them can be achieved. Whatever you can do or dream you can, begin it. Boldness has genius, magic and power in it. The tragedy in life is, life doesn't lie in not reaching your goal. The tragedy lies in having no goal to reach. By recording your dreams and goals on paper, you set it in motion. It is the process of becoming the person you most want to be. Friends, put your future in good hands, your own hands. Once again, this is Agnello Rajesh from St. Angelo's Professional Education, doing an inspiring conversation for you. Thank you.